Hey, what's going on there, everyone? It's TechWares. Today is January 21st, 2026. Doesn't look like B770 is going to be launching, at least not anytime soon, or maybe never. So, breaking news, pretty much several websites are reporting on it. This was a leak, a rumor, leak, whatever you want to call it. Intel is set to launch the Arc Pro B70 and also the Arc Pro B65 based on the BMG-G31 SoC, but there's nothing about B770, and here's what I think might have happened. Anyways, first let's read the article, then I'll give my thoughts on what I think happened. BMG-G31 finally launching soon. Intel is set to launch its BMG-G31 graphics card, not graphics card, but I guess SoC. But it's not for gamers, with an asterisk. We have to put an asterisk on that. Respected Intel hardware leaker Jaykihn confirmed today that Intel will soon launch a new GPU called B70 Pro. This is the third Battlemage Arc Pro GPU, which Jaykihn also said will use the BMG G31 GPU, also known as Big Battlemage. BMG G31 GPU has long been rumored, and data mined as well, to reach the consumer market, but as we revealed, Intel has not provided test units to board partners that focus solely on gaming. Whether that changes remains unclear. BMG G31 is a larger GPU than G21. BMG G21 was used on the B570 and B580 consumer GPUs. Over here it says it was with a rumored 5,120 cores and a 256-bit memory bus that would allow memory configurations of 16, 32, even 64. Since this is a Pro GPU, it is almost certainly 32 gigs or higher. Intel has never confirmed BMG G31 in recent interviews. Intel fellow Tom Peterson did not provide any hints or details on when the GPU might appear. Right now, there's no information on a consumer gaming-focused variant. Intel may be testing the waters with the Pro market first, or production costs may be high enough that Intel is focusing on workstation only. Update Hayes claims that Intel will also introduce a Arc Pro B65 GPU. Anyways, here's the like a table, nice table from video cards that they put together regarding all the Battlemage GPUs and what's rumored to come, leaked to come, whatever. So here's what I think happened, man. I think Intel wanted to release the B770, but due to the whole DRAM situation that's going on right now, where the prices are too high for DRAM, so I think they kind of pivoted and they said, hey, let's scrap the B770. Let's only focus on the workstation / AI cards, because that's what's going to give us the bigger margins. And also, if people want to game on these Pro cards, they can, because the Arc Pro B series GPUs, they're also supported in the consumer gaming driver. The Intel Game On driver, that's what they call it. They call it the Game On driver. You know, similar to NVIDIA, they call theirs the Game Ready driver. So the Intel Game On driver supports the Arc Pro series, like the B50, B60. They're supported in the driver. So, can you game on these? Yes. Are they going to be expensive for what they are for gaming? Yes. However, you can game on these. So, if Intel doesn't release the B770, the Arc Pro B70 is technically the B770. You'll be able to game on them. All right. Here's another article from WCCF Tech. This is kind of breaking news. It's going to be everywhere. When is this being planned to? When is Intel planning to announce these? We don't know. It could be next month. It could be March. It could be, we don't know. But since this came out, like this leak came out now, it might be soon. But everyone's going to be asking Intel about the B770, and it's going to be pretty interesting to see what they're going to say. But who knows? Who knows? The B770 might still come out. We don't know. But right now, it's looking unlikely. So that's kind of unfortunate. It is what it is, man. Intel wants to make money. You know, not everything's for everyone. You know, I'm a gamer myself. I know us gamers, we want things to game. You know, we want things for us. This news is not related to us, but we could still use these GPUs to game. Anyways, I'm just babbling. Let me know what you guys think in the comments, man. You guys think the B770 is ever gonna come? We'll see what happens. Take care, everyone. Peace.